Hi, I'm Christy Vega of Casa Vega restaurant, and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp enchiladas. So first we're going to start by cooking our shrimp. So we'll have a little small pot with 2 cups of water, and to this we're going to add our seasonings first. So we're going to heat it, and we're going to add we have about a teaspoon of garlic powder, we have a teaspoon of salt, we have a tablespoon of minced onion, and now to this, we're gonna add our raw shrimp. Oops, just put him back in. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. And so once it's at a boil, which mine is, I'm gonna add cilantro. We wanna keep the cilantro from getting too soggy. That's why we don't add it before. Great. And then your shrimp will look like this in 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll cut our shrimp into little pieces so that they fit inside the tortilla nicely. Let's go ahead and we'll take our shrimp. Great. You want to make sure always when you're cutting, use a really sharp knife. That way, make sure not to cut yourself. And easy. And you don't need to make this pretty. It doesn't need to be medium dice or small dice or large dice. It just needs to be cut up so it's easy for the people when they bite into it and eat it. Great. Next, we're going to assemble our enchiladas, which will start with a corn tortilla that we've already preheated in a little bit of oil on a pan, so it's nice and pliable. And to this, we'll add just a little bit, maybe a handful of our shrimp. A little more. And down the center, to give it nice flavor inside, we're gonna add some enchilada sauce. And enchilada sauce is so easy to make at home, but you can also save yourself the trouble and just go ahead and buy it at the store in a can. So we'll add a little drizzle. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese inside. And now we'll roll our enchilada. So we take one side, and you go over, tuck it in like a taquito, and roll. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add this to my other ones that I just made. And you can see in a casserole dish, you can make anywhere from 8 enchiladas to 20. So next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna top our enchiladas with a little bit of sauce. Great. And then we're gonna take a handful of the cheese and sprinkle it on. Maybe a little more. And now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is melted nicely. And here I have a finished shrimp enchilada dish that I've already baked, and you can see that the cheese is melted nicely together. And for a nice touch, I added a wedge of avocado on each of the enchiladas, which goes great with the shrimp. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Christy Vega, and have a great day.